You know when you say know your enemy? When you know your enemy and you know his weakness, it's there when you can really start making a difference. Whenever I travel abroad, if I say to people that I'm from Sicily, the first thing that they tell me is like, oh, mafia. So it's nice to break a little bit the stereotype of being Sicilian. And that's why the association started working with the Addiopizzo travel branch, organizing these guided tours in English and in different languages, just to make people aware, just to make people, show what Sicily is all about, what's the real and authentic side of Sicily, and then we are not just people involved with the mafia, and we're not all gangsta, of course. We are nearly 50 people in total. But also the fact that we are working as well in the tourism field. There are many people involved who are maybe professionals like me, who are not only volunteers, but maybe they're just working because they believe in this.
I've loved the anti-mafia tour. It's been better than I expected. It was actually very educational, and I could see the passion in her eyes, and that kind of inspired me as well to get involved and just know more about the culture of Sicily. I learned interesting stories that I know I'm going to bring back and actually, spread the word and tell my friends about it.
Well, we've been speaking a lot about how the new generation are changing and how mentality is changing and how this process, which is a cultural and social change, is actually, it's real, it's concrete.